na mame mo second from any adwuma amoye na baso Dr. Cass and so ya abada di and na mani age na me try second from se munya adwuma we my Ghana fo nyina nhunu am afraid ya sia ku for do free SHS abese Ghana womasua no omo so na ba bontene wana fo mun kopa bi na mo hwe na mo hu se akufo do se ampa anya Ghana womasua no obesa no o na ni pa bonefo a won pe Ghana yie titru ni NBC fo na no mo ka ku nkrofo so se akufo do free SHS abesa Ghana womasua onyankopon wo hire ni pa no o hire akufo do na Ghana mofra ama nso we o magi nkunim ama NBC fo ni ogu ase e Dr. Cass na ni bia ko so we di hwe na mo hu se akufo do won se ya papa edema on my Ghana na Ghana ebeko yie Ghana for me sramo petro no ayam from abi na boy and so what here na aso na from abi beko ama ya tumu enti ya tumu a enka se ya akufo do
Mate adike
enka se ya akufo do enti se ababi aba petro wotum ababi aba petro ya teso enti ke bi economic station
adike me da say okay me da say pa ma me ko na say ho na say ewo ahojo okay na say yeah udem
good afternoon.
That's right, good afternoon.
I'm a show tech in the team for you. I have na say me free ahojo
yeah je so pa
Dr. Cass and some be how come pa
bombing come on
sa Mr. Omes no
okay
approach the call hospital no I've got to tell you
Abayin te driver ne petrol no so because or prefer driver no so ye den or tin the fare so abayin te so my driver ne car owner we dia car owner say unim fanebo or no dia won tin the fare so ampa or da so jiw dia or jiw na. And instead of us as Ghanaians waking up and tackling these issues as they're supposed to be tackled, we rather sit NDC MPP. And what pisses me off when they say, Omo the NDC and MPP did no cry, the only Omo can say Omo ye do. When was the last time you heard Sami Jenfi making noise? Me say Ghana for we need to wake up. Me de be America. Yes, we have bad leaders. Yes, we need good leadership. But the fact is, the Ghanaian ordinary black man with the brain is dumb. I'm sorry. Over 85% of us don't use our brains. And that is why we struggle. Because the what Jimmy Juma, now I buy biaju electricity bill. Mama papa. Now when to me uncle Tia, I'm a what the doom so 4 years. Now says I buy now ben never catch say now light to see what would the Juma no. Pamo the other light now mauno. Na mo nombra udum so na we yakwasi ampani ko this party next year. It is not about leadership. It is about your stupid brain. Say before na Kufuado. O papa we brochire na nso ye pamu school fees. Na sende ye pamu school fees bio. Now what catch me say there be even though say now no young pamu school fees no you rather want the one now or buy your bed pamu school fees now. You are not smart, you are a fool. I'm sorry. And this is what we do every day. All in the name of say NDC soba. Say me party ba. Intermediate minim pass me party na yebuka omo number. But omo bebenti enye let them come. I ask a simple question. For 1 month straight, 1 good month straight, and let me put this too, for 3 weeks straight, 3 consecutive weeks, the dollar and the CD have been at pegging. When I say pegging, I mean baby or dinyo kodu yeno on chin ye mubio. When was the last time I would say I to force in my bejina ho ka either CD to dollar view? Do you hear them talking about CD to dollar? Do you hear them talk about CD to dollar? Now they are finding the next propaganda to come and feed you people that don't like to read. They are finding another propaganda to come and give you people that don't like to read but will take your stomach to sell your own soul. Ghana eba akupo. Ghana eba akupe. Na ebi ni baby ebi o. Into what the fact party sem kataweni. Na say no. Ochine bi enye MPP na ebe wo ho. But the san se wugu eduaba bone MPP apensu ntino. Enne NDC ba ye no. Weduaba bone no ubetwa so aba. Onkwasia wo hini David ne nkwasiafo a mutu omugu social media say yenda da Ghana fo emma Ghana fo hu so man na ahia pansam no ubetwa sa aba no. Obie ni wa asabe waduan toast no wakotiti meko mimi hu bi da NDC for do mbetumi aye NDC for ade anyansan ni mu a ebi nsi da no na omo ye yet kromu ha omo so omukura pink sheet ye ko do court ya ye nkura pink sheet ba kopo ye wo kromu ha free education 419 na ye dwen se omo meko ye bo pia omo maji dem ho ma eti ye ni mu om enunti my heart bleed these days Mama Lydia. My heart bleeds a lot when I see NPP doing the work for NDC. Something they didn't do for you. Something they never did for you. You are busy using yedidia jamina wenye bina and I ye juman na ye why ye juman for party this again in Amankudiana. Yay. One corner we campaign. Mo amudina o se ne yedidia jam no mo nko na mo ye campaign ana na matina ho na sa nkwasiafo party we ya sebi ade papa bia mfiri mu ho mma mo toa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so na nka ne papa mu a NDC tumi kasa aba politics bi o de o mo de abeye Ghana fo yi. Now so me I ask a typical question me say whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to I feel almost die politics. No. Ekufa do any say chimpanzee, Baomia is 10 boa, 10 kwasia. We turn it personal. Na aku company for na no musi yo yate ne yate so. Yate so dia, sa kwasia mpani na was so video did mpani for atem ne yante nka o. Yatete ni ama no so dia kwasiampani Johnny Hughes and me ameka say yatete ni ama so Captain Jimmy ekokogbu ne gas na yate petrol no so dia obetena hwan no ma chill hey we dey mean to me yam pass me obetena sa bola show no so no when to me anka nkire na kwasiampa for listeners ne say yate petrol so 2 weeks ago you are insulting the president to reduce the petrol. Now the fucking petrol has been reduced. I expect Captain Kwasiampeni to sit on that stupid thing of his to let Ghanaians know say, obey ya abino tiasia to petrol no so. But who said he was there to fight for you, the Ghanaians, so that whole petrol so better? It is only Ghana. Uhieni ne bana or no nibi mono. Say t-shirt. No, did you know? E-levy, we won't pay no e-levy. E-levy, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen. I didn't see a metro when see the e-levy in Tian Kubi. E-levy one seed in tea. Kum nana do mayen. Madam Larissa, welcome.